How about we cut out cookies for 2 weeks?
Oh my gosh.
I feel like this
fine.
is a terrible time because the Girl
I'll cut
Scout
down to one
cookies are
coffee.
on sale
I'll do
right
that
now.
if you cut down to 1 coffee a week.
I'll cut down to 1 coffee a day.
All right, everybody, when you come
no
into the
cookies for
shop,
2
check
weeks.
in on
Deal.
these two and make sure they're following through with their deal.
What are you cutting out, Kristen?
You guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to a Skin-Based Pod. I'm your host, Lena, licensed esthetician, and today I have Georgia,
Davenport, licensed esthetician.
Kristen
Sanborn, licensed esthetician.
and Shelby.
Shelby Ayers, cosmetologist, all.
Does anyone notice when I do the intro, I like grab my seat?
Yeah, no, you're always like gripping. You're
It's like a roller coaster.
Race
Ready to take off.
We're
We're
taking off.
going.
It makes me forget who I am.
Same. I'm like, what's my name again?
I get a
Who
little
am
excited
I right now?
It's like every time, too.
I know, right? I just noticed it the last
Hold
time.
on. The roller coaster is about to start. It's like we're on the Mamba or something.
I don't do roller coasters. I don't know.
Really? I mean, I don't now, but like as a
Fasten your
kid.
seatbelts. Here we go.
I don't know. I don't do roller coasters. Never have. I threw up on one, said not again.
Yeah.
Yeah, valid. Let's talk about sugar.
All right, so today we're going to talk about sugar. Does someone want to answer what is sugar, or like what it does, or what it?
Well, let's just start out with
Sugar, but like what it does to our skin. Is that what you're asking?
Yes. Let's talk about what sugar does to our skin and what excessive sugar, processed
Shelby's over there,
sugar.
like,
Shelby's ready.
to roll. She did so much
So
research.
much research.
So,
It's amazing.
Shelby, let's start with hair. What does too much processed sugar do to our hair?
So when you consume that much sugar, it's not just like the consuming of the sugar, it's what it does to your body. So it increases your blood sugar, which that then, yep, there went that thought.
No, it's fine.
Well, let's jump over to Georgia
We
let's
just said
talk
how much research Shelby did, and she's like, it's gone.
Yeah, y'all just put me on the spot.
It spikes your insulin.
Well,
Yes.
it does.
Which
yes.
can cause inflammation. It can cause breakouts. I've been eating some of my dad's cookies every single night because they're in my freezer and it's so easy. But yeah, it spikes your insulin and it kind of makes your body freak out. So it's not only affecting, I think people just assume it's going to make you gain weight. It's going to affect your waistline, but it can actually do a lot more than that. Like I said, cause inflammation. It can increase redness if you're already prone to redness. If you already have acne, it can make it worse. If you don't have acne, it can make you break out. I don't know if you can see them. I try to cover them up.
I'm covering one up with a microphone right now.
Yeah. Have you been eating lots of sugar too?
Actually, mine's stress, but yeah.
And artificial sugars are the worst, but even natural sugars in overconsumption can cause it. So I love sugar. I'm never going to say don't eat sugar completely, but just be mindful of how much you're consuming and what kind, and as well as how much water you're drinking. Because the more water you drink can help kind of balance that out and flush it out of your system.
Can you tell us a little bit about glycation?
Yes. So glycation is essentially us in our analogies. Think of it like a mattress. And whenever you're coming in getting all these spa treatments, when you're using retinol every night, you're softening the spring. So it's increasing, I guess would be the right word, the collagen and elastin in your skin. Whenever you overconsume sugar, it does what's called glycation. And it's essentially proteins are attaching to the springs on the mattress and hardening them. So then they're not working as we want them to. So not only short term can it cause inflammation and acne, long term it can speed up aging very quickly.
So with that, it also, because our hair is made up of a protein called keratin, and when glycation occurs there, it weakens the structure of the hair, the keratin that is inside the hair, which can make the hair more brittle and weaken or more prone to breakage, weakening those bonds.
So I think especially like as we age, because every year we start losing our collagen and elastin production anyway. So you're already losing that. And so you don't want to make it even worse by consuming too much sugar.
And you can come to us and be like, this is happening X, Y, and Z. And we can do our best to help manage your oil and your acne and help with your collagen and elastin, how quickly your cells are turning over. But if you're over consuming sugar and your diet in general, sugar is just one point of it. It's really hard to fight what's going on inside of your body.
Sugar can also increase the oxidative stress in the body, which basically means that your body's producing more free radicals than it can neutralize in one setting.
I think visually, because I work with a lot of different types of skin. Visually, when I'm looking at skin and glycation, you'll see it almost as sometimes it can be, especially in diabetics and different things, it's almost like a little crust on the outer layer of skin.
Yeah.
And so, it's really hard to kind of get rid of that process. Some different treatments that I find that helps to work is microneedling, of course.
This is why we also recommend products so much, is because we'll do one treatment a month, but at the other times, like with sugar, you're upping your free radicals. You're making them a little bit more. How I explain free radicals to my clients is they're like little buzz balls in the skin. They're not neutral. So they sit there and they buzz, and that's what's causing that inflammation. Now we got to neutralize those. So that's why I'll also prescribe, not prescribe. A doctor?
You are prescribing. Yeah, you are.
I'll recommend antioxidants are really good to neutralize free radicals. That's why we like the Maestro and the Alto. That is, we say it helps redness because it's got 14 antioxidants that help neutralize the free radicals in the skin and calm those buzz balls down.
Yeah, so I guess sugar is the gas for those buzz balls.
Yeah.
And so you have to take away the gas for those things to calm them down and reduce the inflammation, which the inflammation can cause the acne and can cause the redness, can cause capillaries. It can cause a lot of things to happen in the skin.
Well, and what you're doing at home is just as important, if not more important than what we're doing in the treatment room, because we're seeing you maybe once a month, once every 6 weeks.
What's it saying? 80% of the time is on you, and what's 20%? The other 20%?
20%. Yeah.
If anyone didn't know, I'm not good at math.
Numbers is that dyslexia that we were talking about.
Oh my
Maybe
God.
getting mixed.
So I
turning
think
them
the thing
around.
is you don't have to cut sugar completely out of your diet, but instead of that 6-pack of pop a day, back it off or try to replace it with water.
Yeah.
You've got to be able to flush the skin.
Yeah. Or increasing your water intake and lowering it just a little bit more moderation.
Yes.
Or instead of cookies every single night of the week,
Yes.
one night of the week.
And sugar is my favorite food group.
Mine too.
We do a lot
I
of
drink mine.
And when it comes to natural sugars,
Same.
natural
Yes.
sugars will be better. Like fruits and whatnot is better, but it's still, you can't eat fruit for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Like
Yes.
that's
I
still.
dare you to fight with my 2-year-old over that one.
Your 2-year-old, we can worry about his skin later.
Which I wonder why his skin is always so red. I don't wonder. I know why.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
poor kid's got rosacea. He's only 2.
So any other points on any other hair points, Shelby?
I just have that hair follicles are actually one of the fastest dividing cells in our system. That typically means that they require a constant supply of nutrients, oxygen, and stable blood sugar to function properly. When something in the body is off metabolically, hair can often be the first place that we see it.
And you'll see that too if you've been sick or
Skin.
rapid weight loss or malnutrition. That's the first thing that you really see is hair loss. And then, the skin starts to look a little dull and dingy, and we need to really make sure that we keep our body balanced.
I also like to put the point of puffiness. That's a big question
Yeah.
in my treatment.
Inflammation.
Is how do I
Inflammation.
calm? Yeah, I always look so puffy, and I'm like, we need to look at our diet. We need to start calming inflammation. Like we got some things going on that's not just outward; it's also inward. And I think we've covered that several times on this podcast.
Yeah.
Is that our skin represents what's going on the inside. Whatever's
Yes.
happening inside is showing on the outside. So if there's things you're like, I've got redness or I'm puffy. I'm not a dietitian though, so I can kind of pinpoint maybe we're doing too much of this or that. But if you're really worried about your diet, I really recommend getting a dietitian. That really helps keep you on track and see what's going on in there. But if your
Because
skin's
everyone
looking dull
can be
and stuff,
different too,
Yeah.
to some level. I mean, there's a baseline of what's healthy, but it's
I
everyone.
know there's a point in time during the day that if I don't get just a little bit of sugar, I get cranky.
Yeah.
So I'm a bit of
I'll
a sugar
never cut
addict.
out
You
sugar
probably need
completely.
more
I would not
carbs,
be a very
Kristen.
nice person if I
Healthy
had zero
carbs.
sugar.
I know. I need a lot. I need a lot of help. Period.
I think we all do.
dietitian. I really recommend it. I like it.
Do you have a dietitian?
I'm not a full diet. I have an app that is
Okay.
supposed to have a diet, it creates your diet.
Yeah.
Do I follow it? Absolutely not.
Well, I've heard of a lot of
I spend
insurance
money on this for
companies
nothing.
that fully will cover
Yeah.
a dietitian. I should look into it, but
Yeah.
I've never personally done it. But like, it can be free to a lot of people.
I ain't working out now either, so I was like,
Well, the
throw
first
off
thing they'll
one.
cut out is Lena's, her 3 dozen coffees a day.
Yep.
And
I don't want to hear it.
Everything in moderation.
Everything in
Caffeine's also bad,
moderation.
too.
I'm
So
drinking
sugar-
a coffee
sugar's
throughout
not-
the whole day.
you
Talking
just have
about
to
sugar,
use
and I'm drinking
in
a whole can of
moderation.
artificial.
I say, do as we say, not as we do type of situation, but like we're not gonna be like, stop it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We obviously do it.
But
there's also
we
things
can't
that help
diagnose.
help calm it down too. That's not just like cut all sugar out. Good skincare, like getting some antioxidants, adding antioxidants to your diet, adding antioxidants to your skincare, adding the right form of vitamin C, because if you're already red, the wrong form of vitamin C will make it worse. So that's where we come into play here.
And we can help you know which is which.
Yep.
We carry several different forms of vitamin C in the shop, and we can kind of help you get there. Also, drink lots and lots of water. I think that's the first thing with a lot of my clients, even my acne clients. The first thing I ask them is, we can look at your skin and see dehydration. And it's like, okay, so what's your water intake look like? And it's like, well, I've had a cup of coffee. I had a pot for lunch. I had tea this afternoon. And it's like, well, we need to kind of back off on some of that. You've got to be able to flush those toxins out. And something that I find is if you are kind of a sugar-heavy diet, you've got to flush those out somewhere. And so drinking lots of water during the day to flush, especially if you're going to go to eat birthday cake or something like that.
Yeah.
Just make sure that you come home drinking water and not
More
continuing to
sugar.
add pop to it.
Yeah.
Oh, also add alcohol is very high in sugar too.
Easily.
Yes.
Very quickly.
People don't. I think do recognize it, but don't.
Yeah.
But that's like after a night out, like you feel like absolute crap the next day. It's because
So
you're
much
dehydrated.
sugar.
Yes.
And just finding something that you can stick to, I think, also is a big thing.
Routine.
And sugar's in everything.
It's in everything. So it's like you're not going to be able to cut out sugar for the rest of your life. And
Yeah.
it's also you don't want to go so hardcore that you can only do it for 2 weeks and then you fall right back into it. Because as soon as you continue back what you were doing, your same problems are going to come back.
Moderation is key
Yeah.
for everything.
If it's not something that you're going to stick to, it's not going to help long term for you.
and
It
I'm
also
not a good
takes
at
21 days to make a habit. So you got to do it consistently for 21 days.
Yeah.
Ugh,
Lena's thinking 21 days without her coffee. She's going to.
no.
We're going to suffer.
I do need to. I will say it here. Hold myself accountable here. I do need to cut back.
Yeah. She knows it. She'll admit it.
I need to cut back. I do not need that third coffee that day, and I don't get the small ones. I get the big ones, and
I really
so-
can't say anything there. I'm just as bad.
Dude, so bad. And my Dr. Pepper. Ooh, now that I have discovered dirty sodas.
What are dirty sodas? Is that a
Oh, my
Nina thing?
goodness. Yeah,
So
it's all over the
good.
place. Not
So
just a
good.
Nina thing, but her Dr. Love. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
it's so good. If you're in Harrisonville, go to Nina's and get the
So
Love
delicious.
Doctor.
Love Doctor. Sorry.
It's actually not on the menu right now, but you can still get it. You request it, but it's so good.
She treats us so well because she makes me
Dude, for
all
real.
the things.
For real. But yeah, so I gotta cut back on that too. So holding myself accountable here. Any other points about sugar? I think talking about sugar in the skin is just so straightforward, but yet it's also it's a really hard thing to change.
Well, and it's
deep
easy to not
dive.
think about. Like I feel like a lot of clients come in and they're having all these problems and they don't even think about that. It could be something that they're consuming every single day
Yeah.
or something going on inside of their body.
And sometimes with our teens, we will set them on a course of, okay, take, after school, instead of drinking all that pop, try water. And then it's amazing how
even, like,
in a matter of
Gatorade
weeks,
and
they're...
stuff
I was
like that.
about to
It's
say
so- has a lot of
Gatorade
sugar.
and sports drinks and
Yeah.
like electrolytes nowadays are a huge thing. And it's like, sure, electrolytes are good. Certain kinds of electrolytes and a
But
certain
like
amount of
drinking
them
electrolyte
find
powder
that they're
all day,
all day
either-
is not good.
not
It's so much sugar.
They're either super high in sugar or super high in sodium.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There's like,
So not saying it's always bad, but it's like just looking at those things. Someone might think that they're being so hydrated drinking 4 liquid IVs in a
My gosh,
day.
talking about hydration, my 4-year-old nephew, he started drinking so much water. He comes in, he goes, I am so much more hydrated than you. Oh my gosh. Oh, have fun with that. You're going to be peeing all day, bud.
Did you actually know though if you're like peeing, I forget what it is, but it's like if you're peeing a certain amount of times a day, you're actually not hydrated and that water's just running
Yeah.
straight through
Well,
you.
have you seen that they say to put like pink like salt in your water?
Yes.
Yes,
Himalayan
Otherwise,
yes,
it
Himalayan
doesn't-
salt. That's from
you
Laura.
Just run it right out.
Laura
Yeah.
said that.
Oh, really?
Yep,
I
Laura
see it on-
Dombrosic. She
Yep,
told us
on the
that.
internet.
That's what she does.
So like not just saying drink a lot of water, but like you need the salt, you need the sodium too for the water to hold
You
in
need
your
body to
body.
absorb it, yeah.
Because otherwise it's not doing anything anyway. There's so many. The body is so interesting to me. I was gonna do this challenge, but now that I'm reading it and talking about what my daily activities are, not think I could do it. But try cutting sugar for just 2 weeks. Not cut it out, but cut it down.
Cut it down.
One coffee.
One
a day.
coffee,
Yeah,
Lena,
go to
can
one
you do
coffee a
that?
day and one Dr. Pepper.
One sweet treat a day instead of.
Well, let's just
after
Oh
say-
yeah,
every meal.
Georgia, who ate cookies the last 2 nights for supper.
Listen, when you have homemade frozen cookie dough in your freezer, it takes you 10 minutes to make it.
How about we cut out cookies for 2 weeks?
Oh my gosh.
I feel
Okay,
like this
fine.
is a
I'll
terrible
I'll-
time because the
I'll
Girl
cut
Scout
down to one
cookies are
coffee.
on sale
I'll do
right
that
now.
if you cut down to one coffee a week.
I'll cut down to one coffee a day.
All right, everybody,
You-
when you come
no
into the
cookies for
shop,
2
check
weeks.
in on
Deal.
these two and make sure they're following through with their deal.
What are you cutting out, Kristen?
You guys.
Mic drop, dang.
If we're doing it, everyone's
Yesterday
gotta
she was
do it.
begging me to work more days.
I do.
so
I miss Georgia. I really want her there 5 days a week.
Well, we're gonna need you.
We'll work on it.
A couple of us are gonna be out in a little bit, but
Yes. Do you want to go over what all the fun stuff that you has happened to you
why
the last
do they
2
need
weeks?
to know? They don't need to know.
We're just gonna put Lena in bubble wrap, and
We
she's
do.
gonna have
Yeah.
to live there.
It's
So.
enough, but we're gonna say this time is over. It'll be okay. Everything
Yes.
else, it's gotta go up from
We
here.
got it all. You got it
Bad
all
things
out.
happen in 3. You've had
In the
I
summer,
had like 5,
More than
but
3,
it's okay. It's okay. It's all going up from here. We're good.
let's say
Yep.
in the last 2 weeks, Lena has had a bout of the stomach flu twice. She has messed up her knee, and that'll probably take surgery this summer. And today, after the show, she's getting
I'm hoping it's before the summer because I
3
cannot do this.
wisdom teeth extracted this afternoon.
Well, this is going to be airing a couple weeks late, but yes.
So that
she's
is
on
why
her way
Lena
there
will be
from here.
Yeah.
cranky.
She hasn't eaten all day or
I haven't gotten to eat. I only got one coffee. I had to drink my coffee so fast this morning to make it before 8:30 because I had to cut it off at 8:30.
I'm surprised you didn't wake up at like 2:00 in the morning to drink your 7 cups of coffee.
I would have, but my kid was up all
that was
morning.
her, that was
so-
her plan.
That
She was
was
going to
my-
wake up,
actually,
have
that
multiple
was.
cups of coffee and a Dr. Pepper
I
all
had-
before 7
No,
o'clock.
no joke. I told you that last night.
Your
I was
poor
going
nervous-
to.
your
I
nervous
I usually
system.
get up at 5:30 every morning. I read my Bible every morning, and so I was like, I'm gonna get up at 5. I'm gonna make my first cup of coffee at 5. I'm gonna read. I'm gonna have my second cup, and then I'm gonna have a Dr. Pepper, and then I'm gonna cut it off. Well, that didn't happen.
a life,
I
our
wonder
day in
if
the life
that's
of
like
Lena.
a sugar addiction. I feel like that could be a sugar addiction right there.
It could be, but
It's
and
okay. I'm addicted to Hyper Energy. They have a pink power drink.
That
and
was delicious.
I have
I
to
I
get
used
one
to have
every
a Red
single
Bull
day.
addiction, but I cut that. I caught that one. I got that out.
When I first started working with you guys, there was a day I came in and you had 2 Red Bulls, like
Yeah.
2 open ones
Yeah.
at
We
the
like
same
that. The
time.
tall boys.
Double
I don't know if
fisted.
that's what that's called or not.
I remember
promise
that
I'm not
day.
an
I
alcoholic.
was waxing for freaking 8 hours.
Yeah.
I had two of the big Red Bulls open. I was rolling.
I was like, this girl's crazy.
I'm learning more about these girls than I want to know.
I
there's
freaking love-
always season.
I absolutely love the fact we brought Georgia on. I love Georgia.
She's great.
She's one of the best additions we put on this place. Sorry, Shelb.
It's okay. I can only work one day a week down there.
Well, we miss
So,
you the other
you know,
4.
we do.
We do.
It's really quiet.
I have to work with Lena
Actually,
by
it's not
myself.
very
and
It's
scary.
quiet because I'm so loud.
All right, guys. Well, we will let you all go.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. Thank you y'all for hanging out with me, and we will see y'all next week. Bye.
Bye.